February 17 around 9:30. So this variety is burley, and once it's ready they're just gonna cut the tobacco plant and then dry it. They're installing these hanging. uh, it's going to be used for hanging the tobacco. Actually, I need to find out what it's called. On this side they're growing tomato. They're actually harvesting some of the ripened tomato. So here they're growing either onions or garlic. Someday I'll ask what's being grown. In the days of my youth, we used to come here and swim. This is where I learned to swim. My dad just threw me off the river and told me swim. Of course, I don't know how to swim. And sadly, when I was 6, one of my cousins died drowning. So that's the challenge of not able to know or not able to swim. The saying goes, sink or swim or die. Yeah. So it's peaceful. Really nice. So these are sweet potato being grown. 3 months, I think, before they can be harvested. Not sure. I think it's 3 months. So these tobacco were planted 27, 28 January. It's now February 17, so let's just say 3 weeks. And this is how far they've grown. There's quite a bit of weeds which needs to be killed off. So this is the process. The side of the tobacco, they need to be harrowed, and then after that, for tomorrow, they're going to bury the grass underneath the dirt to kill them off. So one of my relatives was saying, for example, these leaves, the root system would be from the center to this would be how long the root system is. So in theory, this, when the dirt is turned over, it should be as close as possible to the root system. The idea is to cut off the root so that it will bring about new roots, and by doing that it improves how it sucks nutrient from the dirt. So someday I'll see about what to do, how to be as close as possible to the root system without killing the tobacco. So the harrow is being edging into the root system. So there's a technique to it. Yeah, kind of hard. Growing tobacco in the Philippines, fun a minute. So this watering system was built by Jean-Claude. He was trying, no, not trying. He was thinking about how to make life easier. So basically the distance from side to side is the distance of the tobacco line. So instead of doing it the hard way, which is one person watering one, This thing can water 2 rows of tobacco. So the next go around we'll be using this kind of implementation. So if you're interested in building one, this is easy. 1T. These are 1 inch and then 3/4 or 3/4 pipe. So 1 inch 3/4, and then you got the fittings. And the hose is 1.5. Got it from Lazada. So moving forward, we won't be using the 1 inch. It was free, given to us by LGU. They're heavy, so work smarter, don't work harder. This pump was given also by LGU. And then there's certain things you have to buy, which I did. So in support of growing tobacco. Yeah, thanks for watching.